Hi friends, again today we are going to see another one problem. It is from SR Parser. Okay, consider this grammar. E tends to E plus E slash open bracket E close bracket. E tends to E star E, E tends to ID, and we have to check whether the input string open bracket ID plus ID close bracket star ID close bracket, whether this particular input string is accepted by this grammar or not using SR parser. Okay, so we know this procedures, right? Already we have seen first problem in my previous video. Okay, so stack input buffer output statement. So this is how the format is. Initially the stack contains dollar symbol, input buffer contains the input string which is given in the question. Along with that you will be adding a dollar symbol, right? Now you have to push each string from this buffer to the stack. Okay, initially we are pushing the open bracket, so we can't give any reductions here. So again you are pushing the another open bracket to the stack. Okay, in the next step here also there is no reduction is possible, right? So we are giving next ID to the stack. See, at this point we are having a reduction in for this ID. You can give a reduction to E, right? So you are giving a reduction E to ID. So you are changing this ID with E. Okay, now there is no other reduction is possible. So we are simply pushing the plus to the stack. Again there is no reduction is possible. So simply we are pushing the ID to the stack. At this point again for this ID you are giving the reduction E, right? Reduction E to ID you are giving. So you are changing ID to E. Now see, at this point there is another possibility. Reduction is there. For this E plus E you can give the reduction E, capital E. So we are again giving the reduction. So changing the step, E plus E we are giving the reduction as E. There is no other possible reduction. So simply we are pushing the left out strings from the buffer to the stack. Okay, next we are pushing the closing bracket. For C, at this time opening bracket E closing bracket. At this time also see there is a reduction is possible. E tends to opening bracket E closing bracket. So we are giving the reduction here and you are changing these to E. Okay, then you are simply pushing star to the stack. Again you are pushing ID to the stack. At this point you are giving the reduction E tends to ID. You are making the changes ID to E. See, at this point E star E. Again there is a reduction. See, E star E, you are giving the reduction E. So you are changing it as E. Okay, now you are simply pushing the left out string which is closing bracket. You are pushing that to the stack. And at this time again open bracket E closing bracket, there is a reduction is available E. You are giving that E. There is no other input string to be parsed. So dollar symbol we have reached. See, at the end we have reached the root node, that is our starting symbol E. So we could say that the given string open bracket ID plus ID close bracket star ID close bracket is accepted by this particular grammar. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. This problem is very simple. Simply we are pushing each string from the buffer to the stack. Parallelly, if possible reductions are available, then you are making the changes. Okay, hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like the videos. Please share your views. Put some comments. Thank you.